What up, what up? It's your boy Tellus, and I'm back again with another one. Hold up. I think Khaleesi wants to say something. Khaleesi, talk to him. Yeah. She talking now. So as you can see, I finally got my exhaust installed. I went with the Flowmaster Outlaw series. So initially I wanted to go with the Corsair Extreme, but they only had that available for the manual.
Oh no!
So I couldn't go with that. And then I didn't want to get another exhaust, boiler exhaust, because I already had that on Baby Hemi, which is my Challenger. So after all my research, I came across the Flowmaster Outlaw series. It's supposed to be a little louder than the American Thunder, which it is loud, but it's more conservative, if I must say. It's more conservative. So between the Broiler Attack and the Outlaw, to me, in my opinion, when you get on the Broiler Attack, it's really going to give you those exhaust notes. It's really aggressive. It's more conservative. It's more subtle, but like cruising, I love the exhaust note on it. So I did take a couple of revs on it, and I actually did a pull on it. So the video should be playing right now. Alright, so as you can see, it doesn't sound that bad. Like it has like a cold start, it has a nice rumble to it. It's actually louder than my Broiler Attack on the cold starts. But it's not as aggressive when you get on it. When you get on this, let me see if I can do a pull right quick. I'll wait till this vehicle switches. It's loud, but it's not obnoxious. So I know the Broiler Attack can be obnoxious sometimes, but you get on it, like people be like turning their heads, and it actually sounds like you have headers on it, but it doesn't. Alright, I'm gonna get a pull in right now. So the Broiler Attack is louder than this, but this is more conservative. I like it. It just gives Khaleesi her own personality, different from the Hemi. So I like it. After this, I plan on getting my headers installed, get it tuned, then I'm gonna see what we're working with. So I know that this month, then the next month, this month, in the beginning of the next year, I'm really gonna go all in. I'm gonna try to upload more, get more quality videos going. This YouTube thing here, you really gotta put in. You really gotta put it in. You're only gonna get out what you put in, and that's just life in general. You can't expect the world and don't put in nothing. You gotta sacrifice. So next year, my main goal is to really amp up my content, upload more videos. And so to all my subscribers that subscribed so far, I'm pretty sure I know all of y'all. I appreciate the support. And anyone else that comes across the video, you like it, subscribe, like, share. That's all I have to say. I'm just gonna give 100% effort. So Khaleesi, I'm gonna do, like I said before, I'm gonna go all in on this. Putting all my effort in this. And it's turning out the way I planned it, the way I envisioned her looking, sounding, it's starting to come to fruition. So let's have fun with it. Alright, so this is gonna be in this video. Until the next one. Peace.